Hi guys, so today I will open box of iPad mini. iPad mini is the 4 GB iPad mini Wi-Fi. See here the box. This box. The box. Let's open. What is inside the box? Actually, the phone I use my use now. You don't know, give me what this is box. Sorry, I just opened. So this is the cable, iPhones. This is manually book designer by Apple in California, but made in China. This is manual book actually. You see, this is iPad mini. I think quite that guy. So this is iPhone actually. I really love the presentation of iPhone. It's so clean. So, and then here's give sticker also. Yeah, sticker also. What is this? So this is the box only. This is only the box. So thank you for watching guys. I hope you really enjoyed my first video. Bye guys. Thank you.